Hey everyone, thanks for joining us. If you find value in what we are sharing, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support really motivates us to keep creating helpful content for anyone curious about the world of manufacturing and industrial tech. We've got plenty more topics coming your way, so let's dive into today's video. Have you ever tried to measure something small, like the thickness of your phone or a coin, and felt like a regular ruler just wasn't good enough? That's where a vernier caliper comes in. It's basically a ruler's smarter cousin. It has two little jaws, one fixed, one that slides. You open them up, place your object in between, and slide it closed. Then you read the scale. That's it. It tells you the size very, very accurately, even tiny differences that a normal ruler can't catch. And the best part? It's fully mechanical. No batteries, no screens, just solid metal and smart design. There's a small extra scale that helps you figure out the exact measurement by lining up lines, kind of like a mini puzzle. When the lines match, boom, you've got your number. People use it in workshops, factories, labs, anywhere they need parts to fit just right. But it's handy for simple stuff too, like checking the size of a screw or how wide a ring is. So yeah, a vernier caliper sounds fancy, but it's really just a clever way to measure small things more accurately. If that felt simple and easy to grasp, you love our video on microscope too. We broke it down in the same no jargon, easy-going style, just like a casual chat. Give it a watch. You might be surprised how much you pick up without even realizing it.